Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the KFC Copycat Coleslaw recipe. This recipe is sweet, tangy, and crunchy just like the original. You can find the full recipe with the ingredients, instructions, and all of that good stuff in my description. So we're going to get started with the dressing, which we're going to make before we get the cabbage and the carrot ready. So you're going to need a mixing bowl. And in that mixing bowl, we're going to start off with some mayo. That is the base of the dressing. And so we're going to go ahead and put that in here. And you're going to want a spoon or a whisk. Now we're going to add in some vinegar. This is going to give it that little bit of a tangy taste. And then we're also going to add in some lemon juice. This also gives it that tangy taste that you get from the KFC coleslaw. So we're going to mix that in there. Also, we don't want to forget to have our sweet. So we're going to add in some sugar here. And that gives it that sweetness that you get with the KFC coleslaw. So this is a very simple recipe. It goes great to make alongside with barbecue or anything really. So now I'm going to add in some salt and some pepper. And you're just going to do this to your taste, but if you check out my recipe, I do have in there some measurements for you to look at. So you're just going to mix this all together. And just mix it till it looks creamy and smooth and like everything has been mixed together. Like in my mixing bowl, I can see I have a little bit of pepper on the side, so I'm going to try to get that down. But just mix it all together so it looks like a salad dressing consistency. So that is what it looks like. Now we're going to head on over to a food processor. So you're going to need a food processor for this, or you could chop things very finely if you can do that. But I find the food processor to be the easiest. And we're going to go ahead and add our carrot in there and we're going to grind it. So this gives it that really KFC style crunch, but also that texture, because with KFC coleslaw, the cabbage and the carrots are very finely chopped, and the finer, you can get it, the better really. So that is why I like to use my food processor. So I'm adding in green cabbage and my carrot in there. So I placed a grocery order recently and they gave me like extra carrots that I didn't even order. So I'm trying to use up some carrots here. I'm adding a little bit extra to mine, but you can find the full, ingredients and all of that in my description that has the measurements. But this is essentially the Copycat KFC coleslaw recipe. You're going to see how it turns out here in the end. The texture is coming out really good. As you can see, the food processor really finely chops this. And so here it is going into my bowl. You're going to put your carrot in there. You're going to put your green cabbage in there once it's finely chopped. Mine is really finely chopped, as you can see. And I'm just going to put all of that in there. We are having fried catfish, and we always like to have some coleslaw with it. Oftentimes, I just make it with shredded cabbage that you get in a bag. But today, I thought I would make things a little bit kind of elevated and make some KFC Copycat salad. So this coleslaw dressing is just going to go straight on top. You're going to mix it all in. And just make sure that everything gets coated. You can already see the creaminess of it and the texture and all of that. So one of the secrets to making this salad as well is to let it sit in the fridge overnight. If you don't have that much time, just do a few hours and it gets creamier and just tastier. This is what it looks like after it's been chilled in the fridge. You can see it looks just like the KFC coleslaw. This is so good, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you try this, and I will catch you on the next one.